Hi, I'm Dr. Max, and we're here now at Dr. Max Hyperbaric Center in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I've been very passionate about hyperbaric medicine, something that we introduced just recently in our center, and I feel really good about helping people with different conditions to feel better and address many concerns. So Achilles agreed to give me a little bit of his perspective of being a patient here. Unfortunately, Achilles was diagnosed with a condition called multiple myeloma that did require a radiation therapy, and he had a surgical procedure too.
That's correct.
That's
yes.
correct.
Mm-hmm.
And hyperbaric oxygen therapy being known, and there's a pretty good evidence on multiple studies that it can help to mitigate some of the problems after radiation therapy, because radiation therapy unfortunately causes damage to the cancer itself, but it's also can damage some of the healthy tissue. And when he called, I suggested let's do a treatment. So the way HbO2 hyperbaric oxygen works, it saturates every cell of the body with 500% more oxygen. And what it does, it actually stimulates angiogenesis. It's creation of new blood vessels and revitalization of the damaged tissue. I felt very strongly that it could be very useful because of the exposure to radiation.
The cancer caused a tumor in my arm that literally broke my humerus bone into two pieces, and it was just growing out of control. So radiation came in, did 25 sessions, and it takes it out of you. It's it's pretty rigorous, but you only really see it after the radiation is done, or when the saturation is greater of the radiation on the area that's being treated. And unfortunately for me, that area caused a lot of blistering in my back, and it caused some sores that were not healing so quickly and so rapidly, and that concerned me. It was really an issue for me, because it not only took away my feeling of that I was healing, but it also that feeling of being healthy. And it was a terrible sight to see too, so it wasn't great to look at. Really raw back there in my arm, and on the back of my arm and my back, especially the fold where tumor is right here, and so right behind it is where the boils would create from the radiation, and some of those boils, when they burst, they created sores, and it just didn't feel like it was healing, and so this was amazing,
So what have you noticed? Condition of your skin?
After the first treatment, I already started noticing some crazy changes, and then after the continuous treatment that we're doing, I've noticed that the skin has not only, the sores have not just gone away, but even the scars themselves have dissipated and are hardly noticeable. And I'm floored at how fast this has healed, and how fast and how good I'm feeling with this sore, because I can now sleep on my back. I'm not, tossing and turning, trying to find the right position, because it was very painful. So it took away the pain very quickly. I'm very, very thankful.
And this is really, one of the things about hyperbaric medicine. It's a huge topic, and there is so much it can do. But there is so much evidence coming out more that how it can improve our general well-being, and especially the wound care. Wound care is a well-established treating of chronic wounds, and especially now we can see the radiation injury. So you think you made the right decision? That
Absolutely. We went to the crazy little places where they wanted to put you in a plastic bag.
Yes.
So this is the real thing here. This place is absolutely spotless. It's clean. The doctors, the staff, everyone is absolutely fantastic. I cannot rave, and I cannot give you enough stars on how great you guys are, and how this place is just immaculate. And you do feel the love and the attention of the doctor, which is, again, unexpected, but welcomed. Very, very welcome.
Thank you so much for such a kind words. But the slogan of this facility, and that's what I always emphasize, it's a patient-centered care. All the resources here, it's about just one person. This is how we train our staff. This is how I approach, because our patients, they do deserve the best. So with any questions about what HBOT or hyperbaric oxygen therapy can do for you, I employ during my surgical procedures. I recommend it even as a recovery after plastic surgeries, other procedures. It does help to treat even acute wounds. Can be treated with HBOT after the fact. We try to answer all the questions. Don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you so much. I'm going to shake you other.
No, it's okay.
Actually, now I can shake
look how strong I'm becoming.
All right. That's actually was not the case when you came in.
No,
right?
I couldn't even move this thing.
All right.
So, it's really great.
Thank you so much.